早晨，我係 Jenny。今日我哋學啲農場嗰啲動物。Hi, my name is Jenny, and if you're new here, I am a new mom who's trying to recultivate her native Chinese culture and language, specifically Cantonese. And today we're going to be learning about farm animals. If you are a homeschool parent, happen to be of the Chinese culture, or want to just learn Cantonese in general, you don't have to be Chinese. But if you're like me and you just want to get better at your native tongue that isn't English, like I'm American born, but obviously am of Chinese descent. Or maybe not obviously. I get Filipina or Thai a lot. Or, yeah. If you're just trying to learn Cantonese in general, this is the channel for you. I have 2 kids, and I want to be the one parent that speaks Cantonese to them, like the one parent, one language. And I'm right now choosing Cantonese to do it for myself and for them. So let's dig into it. So we got the farm is Nongchang. Nongchang. Let me see if I actually said that right. Nongchang. Nongchang. I think it's the N because of the non-lazy tone. I was watching this creator, and he does the difference between the lazy tone and I guess the proper tone. But I think this is Nongchang or Longchang. If I'm incorrect, please just let me know in the comments or send me a DM via Instagram or whatever. I'm still learning. So if you're a part of the Cantonese community and actually know how it's said, or if I said it correctly or incorrectly, please comment below or message me somehow. Teach me. Then we got cow. Ngao. Ngao. Calf. Ngao jai. Zhi. Pig. Zhi. Then we have yang. Sheep. Yang. Goat. I actually don't know what goat is. So when you don't know, Google Translate,
Goat.
copy what the word is in the language you want. Google Translate. My headphone back in. Cantonese. Sanyang. Goat.
Sanyang.
Goat.
Sanyang.
Ma. Horse. Ma. Horse. Pony. Ma. Pony. Chicken. Gai. Chicken. Gai. Ngap. Duck. Ngap. Duck. Ngò. Goose. Ngò. Goose. Gao. Dog. Gao. Dog. Male. Cat. Male. Cat. Toe. Rabbit. Toe. Rabbit. Lao. Donkey. Lao. Donkey. Phó gai. Turkey. Phó gai. Turkey. And so when you are learning these animals with your toddler, it'd be helpful if you go to a place that has this stuff and then just practice it. So let's say we go to a petting zoo. I don't know when you're gonna go to a petting zoo, but if you're in San Diego, shameless plug here, I am not sponsored by them or anything. I just think they're cool. It's a very small place. It's called City Farms here, close by City Heights, off of University. Not straight off the road. You have to do some turns, but it's close to there on University Avenue. But that's a cool place that already has like animals. They have gai, they have chickens, they have toe jai or toe rabbits. I don't know if they have a lao. They have a donkey. They for sure have a bull, but is that still ngao? Is like cow and bull the same? Ngao. And they have male cats, tortoises, is that still white? Yeah, tortoise is still white. It's still a turtle. They have
Check it out, Rocky's.
ma dai ponies, I think. No, they do have donkeys. They do have lao. Heard they yao lao ga. Okay, let me try to do this in Cantonese. So like I said, this channel is not meant for you to be perfect. It's just for you to be practicing, and I am practicing. 你想去 City Farms 喺近 El Cajon Boulevard or University Avenue 喺 San Diego 有好多動物喺嗰度，係細農場。It's a small farm. 有少少動物，但嗰個位好細嘅，你去啊，你要有時啊冇位泊車。So be careful of the time that you go at because parking might not always be suitable. But 有好多唔係好多動物 but a lot for what it is for a city farm, which is kind of cool. 佢哋有細細魚，有冇鴨，有雞，仲有好多植物 plants. Is that right for plants? If it isn't, please comment. Or if it is, please comment. So those are the animals that I have on a farm, and this is practical uses because the kids have these toys. So if you are a Cantonese speaking parent and you want to teach your children animals or farm animals, my kid was gifted this board, like, you know, like the little Montessori type boards, and this is a perfect one to be pointing to animals and learning what they are. So for example, so this one's a good example. Ngò, yang, gai, ma, gao, meo, zhi, ngao. So you could just point and say what the animals are to your kid. Obviously, you can have them match it. Say, 狗仔喺邊度嘅？你知狗仔喺邊度啊？ And this one actually makes sounds. So if you put the magnet on it. So I did buy these little sticker things so he wouldn't lose the pieces, but he loses the pieces anyway, so it's low-key a waste of money. But you could also ask them what sound the animal makes. And for example, if you are to teach a toddler, you would say, "鵝點叫啊？鵝點叫啊？啱，呱呱呱呱。鵝係咁叫，牛點叫？係啊，牛叫moo moo。豬仔點叫？豬仔點叫？Oink oink oink。哦，嗰係乜嘢聲嘅？喵喵，係啊，喵叫喵喵。豬仔。係啊，豬仔，豬仔。係馬點叫？馬點叫？I think my kid's about to wake up, so that's all for this lesson. If you have these, books with animals on it. Literally, this one does just that. Clover the pig had a pet rooster. So, like, stuff like that. Guy, thank you. Chu, thank you. 係啊，呢個係啊豬，呢個係啊雞，佢哋喺啊農場。Sorry, 喺啊農場。That's like really basic and can get your Cantonese kicked off and started. Well, that's all for this one, you guys. My kid's about to wake up, so I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.